How are you today?
I'm feeling fantastic.
How close are we to the train station?
There are 49 pieces of information about how close are we to the train station within 15 kilometers.
Dong. Thank you. Wala. Sinabi niya ito sa'yo, di ba? So, ito yung vlog namin guys. Papa laundry. Ang pagkuha lang ng laundry.